Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is how to use Instagram Reels to grow your following this 2023. So if you go to my profile and press the plus sign button on the upper right and wanna create Reels. So Reels is similar to Instagram Stories, but it had added features like video editing, speed control, combining multiple videos, and etc. It is, however, limited to 30 seconds. The short videos are added to Instagram Explore feed, meaning that's possible for people who are not following you to view your video. This feature only works if you have set your account public. It is similar to TikTok, however, TikTok video can last up to 60 seconds. This is the double length of Instagram Reels. So here's the tip. So let's go back to my profile here and let's press the Reels option. And here I give you some of the examples. So first is you should create original catchy content. So people are usually looking for new exciting content that is fascinating and appealing to your eye. Complicating content can easily mean that they will be willing to follow you to ensure that they will not miss your Reels in the future. People do not usually forget what they see. That is why creating interesting videos is vital to try and get more followers on Instagram. Reels time can be short and long at the same time. It's crucial to have enough content and make it catchy from the beginning to make your audience want to view it till the end. So posting the Reels more often. Just like you see here, this Reels has 22 likes, and let's see if they posting consistently. Consistent posting will play a vital role in the growth of your Instagram Reels. Posting more than 4 Reels a week will surely increase your audience base, who will feel compelled to follow you, therefore increasing your followers. Try doing the latest challenges that are trending. The quality of the video people is more attracted to viewing high quality videos, meaning posting quality videos is a big plus in earning followers using Reels. You can also include trending and popular songs or sounds in your video. So, like this Reel, it has song Here Comes the Sun. So, adding hashtags. Hashtag can be a great way of increasing viewers since people often search for keywords. For example, let's find an example here. Hashtag love, hashtag travel, adventure, Reels Instagram, hashtag. If you had included hashtag in your reel, it will pop up in the Reels section, making it easy to gain more and more followers on Instagram. However, be cautious in adding hashtag as they have to be related on the Reels. For example, if your Reels are about fashion, do not put such as hashtag as cats. This way, the viewer will not be disappointed to your post. You can also add Reels to your story. Your Reels will also appear in the story for your followers to view. Your followers may not increase, but it publicizes you so people can share your feed to others who might be directly following you, meaning that you might as well get more followers. So I hope that this helps. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please leave them in the comment section below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and like.